Today we are reviewing this Zenroll Bicycle Helmet. The first thing I like about this helmet is that it comes with this removable visor. Not all bike helmets have a visor, so I was pretty happy to see that this one has one included. To install it, we see that there are little mounting holes here and here. Once you get everything lined up, you simply push and you hear that snap into place, and then you do the same thing on the other side and push and you hear it, and now you have the visor attached to the helmet, which I like. Not only does it have a sturdy build to protect you in case of an impact, but it also is lightweight so it doesn't strain your neck if you wear it for long periods of time. And it also has all of these different vents to help keep you cool on a hot day. In addition to coming in different colors and sizes, I like the adjustable features of this helmet. For example, in the back, we see this adjustable dial that I can turn one way or the other to make the helmet smaller or bigger depending on the size of my head. We also see adjustments on the side and by the chin to make sure that the helmet fits properly around your ears and underneath your chin. Another great feature of this helmet is the fact that the foam liner on the inside is removable. It velcros in and I can take it out and wash it as needed. So, now that I've shown you everything I like about this helmet, I think it's time to go for a bike ride. See you later.